Alright, in this video we're going to show you how to set up your RecruitingBoss account. First thing I just want to point out that this little blue icon down on the bottom right is your chat support. If you need help, the quickest way to get support is to click on this button. There's a video here of library of videos you can pick from. Also, you can get your live support here as well. So first thing, you want to put the name of your company in. Here's going to be Dave Smith Real Estate. Press Save Changes. You choose your time zone. I'm Eastern Time. Save Changes. Now here is where you're going to choose your phone number, your RecruitingBoss phone number. This is your outgoing number that your leads will receive your texts and voicemails from. So you put in your area code, press search, choose the number that you like best, click select, then save changes. Now we're going to go to your dashboard. And this is your main dashboard. This is where your leads will be housed. This is where you access all your tools. So here we can jump to our campaigns. You're going to see that your campaigns are preloaded. There are a library of recruiting templates in here for you, plus a long-term nurture. So we're going to put this on here. We're going to load this up here for you real quick. You can see that your dashboard is preloaded with all the campaigns. These are the situational templates you can choose from, and they all flow into a long-term nurture sequence after the first 4 days if the lead does not respond. So let's just click on one here. Agent has an interest in real estate career. So this is your edit button. This opens up your follow-up dashboard. So here are all of your text, emails, and voicemails preloaded for you in the template. To record a voicemail, you just simply click edit. Click this edit button here, and you call this phone number, you enter this code, and you read the script. And then this is your ShoutBoss phone number. Again, this is the number that your leads receive a text and a voicemail from. So when you leave a voicemail, you want to leave your ShoutBoss number. It's important because this number is what triggers the campaign to shut off when a lead responds by text or calling you back. So you record your voicemail, press save. Here's a text message. It's pre-written. If you need to change something, it's just simply click in the box and make your changes and click save. Same with your emails. Use what's here or add to it pretty easily and you press save. So this is your, this here is just the agent had an interest in a real estate career campaign. So you see it's 4 days long. Messages on the first day, the second day, day 3 is off, and the 4th day. If you choose to add another day to it, you just click, choose the day you want to add, put in your text, choose the time you want to send it, and press save. Now you've added a new follow-up. So to get back to the dashboard here, again, you click here to dashboard. If you had leads in here, they would be in. So what you can do is go to a campaign, choose a campaign, and here's where you upload a lead. Click Add Prospects, type in the lead's first name, click in the lead's email, and their phone number. Click that you have permission to send, add prospect. Now if we go to the dashboard, you'll see your lead is in here. So think of this right here as your CRM for recruiting. So now if you want to click into a lead and see what their profile is, you have a timeline here. This will show all of the texts, emails, or voicemails that were sent and any correspondence you have back and forth, either through your phone or on this computer here. You can send a text to the lead, simply typing the text, pressing send. You can save your texts as a template. You'll find that as you're sending more texts, you'll start to repeat yourself a lot because the questions coming in are fairly similar. So you can set some templates for yourself. And now, when you have some responses that are similar, you'll just choose the template and press send. If you need to schedule this out, you can click here, choose the day you want to send it, and the time, and submit. Now that text will go out at the time that you chose. You can call by clicking right here, call to lead. and it will dial the lead for you. You can also send an email, make a note for yourself about the lead, or set a task, such as a call, and choose the time you want to be reminded of that task. Check here if you want a text message, add task. You can also disposition your leads. So after you've spoken to them, you can choose if they're interested, if they've responded, if they're not interested, somewhat interested. And here's the lead details. This is your edit screen. So if you need to change their name or any other option here, you can just click on these. You can also add a pipeline stage. So you could have some leads that maybe are in process of being spoken to, some leads you've never met yet, maybe people who are semi-interested. You could have a different stage for each of these. You can also tag them and create a tag. This could be somebody who could be maybe works for ABC Real Estate. Now every time you want to do a search from your dashboard for agents that work at ABC Real Estate, to send them a message for recruiting, you click on that and they would pop up. You can also move leads by clicking here, move to campaigns. This little move section gives you a drop down. Choose campaign you want to add it to, and then move. Now, the last thing I want to show you is we have a long-term nurture campaign here. It's 12 months long, has 18 touches. And we want to make sure that our leads that come through the system, one of these campaigns, but they don't respond, they fall into a long-term nurture. So choose this campaign. We know it goes 4 days. But what happens if the lead doesn't respond in that 4 days? So, I'm sorry, this campaign goes 3 days. We move it to long-term nurture. Again, move leads, click change, choose the campaign you want. Long-term nurture is called recruitment campaign. Now we click that. Now when the lead runs through the cycle here, and if they don't respond, they automatically flow into long-term nurture right here. Now again, if the lead responds to you by text, email, or voicemail, the campaign shuts off immediately. Here are your options here on the side again. Don't forget here for help and support. And that's how you do the quick setup on your RecruitingBoss dashboard.